This is another question from CSIR Net 2020. So the sum of the first n even number is divisible by n and not by n plus 1, divisible by n plus 1 and not by n, divisible by both n and n plus 1, and neither divisible by n nor by n plus 1. These four options are given. So first we find the sum of first n even numbers. So even numbers are 2, 4, 6, something like that. So dot n, nth even number will be 2 is n. So if we add them, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus plus 2n, and if we common 2, so this will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus 2, and this is the sum of n natural numbers. So that formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So the 2 to cancel out, so this will be n plus n into n plus 1. So this is the n sum of n even numbers. First sum of the first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. So from this clearly you see that this is divisible by n and also divisible by n plus 1. So this option is correct. It is divisible by both n and n plus 1. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I will discuss more problems from general aptitude of CSIR net exam, basically from mathematical sciences. Thank you. Keep learning, keep watching.